AussieDoodle fans. I am here with Marli's litter. I know we have Danny in the background, but we have to use the box. So this is Marli's first litter, Danny and Norman. We are doing really good. They're going to be 3 weeks tomorrow. Their eyes are open, their ears are open, their tails are starting to wag. Definitely noticing when we come in the room, getting good at walking. A little wobbly, but they're getting good. I'm sure you've seen it on the camera. So I will show you who we've got. Let's see. Firstborn. Oh. Hello. This is firstborn. This is Maverick, and Marli likes to know where her babies are at all times. She is an amazing mother. So this is Maverick. Say hi, buddy. Maverick is going to Charlotte in California. You're going a long way away, buddy. Maverick is what we call a black tri. He's got the copper on his face, the white on his collar, and these puppies are good eaters, boy. They are solid. They are good eaters and happy puppies. Say hi, Maverick. Say see you real soon. Danny likes to come in and check on the puppies too, and I'm so happy that Marli lets her. Say hi. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Secondborn. Oh, come here, sweet thing. This is Bianca. Bianca is what we call a party merle. She's a white puppy and she's got the merle spots on her. She is, eyes are opening really well. Her tail's wagging. She's noticing when we come in the room. Very good. She's the littlest one. Not that any of them are little. They're all very good eaters. But Bianca is doing great. You can see her little gray spots. It's probably better. Say hi, sweet girl. Say hi. Bianca is going to Patrick in New York. That's not going to be such a long flight. Say hi. There we go. And then last but not least, we have Cher. Cher is also a black tri. She's got the deep copper on her feet. Mostly black with a great white spot in the back. She has a very thoughtful face. And a little white spot on the bottom of her chin. Cher has very wavy fur. She's got a lot more of the poodle. Yeah, she's precious. And like I said, all of them are very good eaters. Eyes are open, ears are open, really noticing what's going on now. It's going to get fun pretty soon. Right about 3.5 weeks we start feeding them, so that's going to be a lot of fun. That video is a blast. Say hi. Cher is going to Karen, also in New York. Say hi. See you soon. So it's going to get a lot of fun. I hope you guys are enjoying the camera. And I think that's all for now. Thanks, guys. See you soon.